Okay, Ankita, let's wait for 2 minutes. I have already sent the message in the WhatsApp. Okay, now I'm starting the class. Common interview techniques. You people must be knowing about the common interview techniques. There are no simple interviews. Every interview is quite tough for all of you. Once a life, we all have to face an interview. And that can be taken on various different forms and fulfill various different goals on which they want to recruit you. When you think of an interview, chances are there you get frightened, and a candidate used to have many types of imaginations like an office interview. While in this common form of interview, there are various kind of interviews in today's world that you people have to deal with, and that kind of interviews, the most common form of interview are their group interviews. They used to fix one date and they used to call with your CVs and certificates. Can you say me what are the role of a CV in the interview? Can you explain what is the role of a CV for an interview? To know the basic educational qualifications, to know the basic ABC of you people. It is the main role of an CV or resume. So how can you make your CV or resume more effective? How can you make? You people used to prepare the CV and resumes, and CVs. So how can you make those CVs and resumes more effective? How? How can you make?
एक्सपीरियंस सर्टिफिकेट एक्सपीरियंस दे करके मैम
And
एक्सपीरियंस कुछ मतलब शो करके ऐसा कुछ मोर इफेक्टिव
any one of you?
Project skills.
Okay, very good. With a very strong start. Okay. You have to highlight your skills, your achievements. And how which job you are applying for. You have to customize your CV like that. You have to also highlight your soft skills. You have to show your internship, your industry insight, and most effectively that the use of power words. The words that are used in a CV should be very powerful words that makes an impression. In this way, you can make your CV more effective for your job. And always keep in mind when you're preparing any kind of CVs for any of the job, please try to customize it like that only. Okay. So how many of you are having your technical soft skills and internship certificates? How many of you are? Anyone?
Yes, ma'am, I have.
You have. Okay. Now again, I am giving you one case study. Okay. I am calling you from ABC company and your date of interview is fixed on 2nd of May. I am gladly telling you your CV is being selected for our company ABC. And on 2nd of May, your interview is being fixed at Zoom at 10 o'clock. So are you able to
Ma'am,
give
one second, ma'am.
Yeah?
Which type of interview?
Okay. Sir, you have applied for your job in our company. This is an open question, okay?
Ma'am, I can't remember.
Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I am telling to Ankita, Pintu and Vibhash, 3 of you. I am,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
okay. This is an open question for all of you. This is a post-interview. Before facing any kind of interview, which type of things people have to go through? Okay. If someone is calling you, what question you will ask? On a phone call, I am from company ABC. I am fixing your interview. What questions coming to your mind? You will question me. Got it? This is a case.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is a case study, interactive class. Okay. What things are
Okay,
coming
ma'am.
to your mind? You ask me. What the company will, how the company will say me, I will respond it to you. Got it?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Hello, good evening, sir. This is Jaya from company ABC. You have applied in our company and your CV is being selected. So on 2nd of May, your interview is being fixed off. Are you willing to give your interview in Zoom mode? The link will be shared very soon with you. After confirming me that you want to face this interview, I will send you or I will provide you the link in your mail ID. So are you ready to give your interview on 2nd of May, 10 o'clock at Zoom mode? Any problem? Any one of you? Any questions, sir? Should I fix your interview? Yes, no, क्या? अगर तुमसे कोई इस तरह से बोलता है तुम क्या जवाब दोगे?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am नहीं है, हाँ ma'am, I am not, I am ma'am. I am
यस
not a
सर,
ma'am.
मतलब कंपनी वाला को बोलो।
हम कंपनी वाले, I am not your ma'am. So what questions will you ask them? If you are having any kind of problems, what things you will say? You will not ask them for how much time your interview, sir, is scheduled. Do I have to switch on my video? Do I have to ready with my original certificates? Who will take the interview? Which type of questions may I face? You will ask or not?
यस मैम।
ये सब क्वेश्चंस दिमाग में नहीं आएगा क्या?
Yes, ma'am.
So you will ask na. And for how long the interview will be?
मैम थोड़ा थोड़ा हिंदी बोलते जाइए ना मैम, अच्छा समझ में आ जाएगा मैम।
Okay, okay.
इंग्लिश मतलब थोड़ा पकड़ मेरा काम है इसलिए बता रहे हैं।
अच्छा ठीक है, हम बोल रहे हैं हम कोई कंपनी से कॉल आया आपको, ठीक है, आपने कोई कंपनी में इंटरव्यू के लिए अप्लाई किया था, अब वहां से मेरे को कॉल, हमने आपको कॉल बैक किया, अब हमने वहां से कॉल बैक किया, हमने बोला कि मैं कंपनी एबीसी से बोल रही हूँ, आपने जो रिज्यूम दिया था उसके आधार पर आपको सिलेक्शन हुआ है, आपका इंटरव्यू मैं 2 मई को रखूंगी, क्या आप इंटरव्यू जूम मोड पे देने के लिए तैयार हैं? अगर आप इस मैसेज को कंफर्म करेंगे तो मैं आपको जूम लिंक आपकी ईमेल आईडी में प्रोवाइड कर दूंगी। तब आपके दिमाग में क्या क्वेश्चन आएगा, आप अगला से क्या पूछोगे कि इंटरव्यू कौन लेगा, ये कितने समय के लिए होगा,
अब कैसा क्वेश्चन पूछेगा वो?
कैसा क्वेश्चन पूछेगा, क्या मेरे क्वेश्चन में अपना वीडियो ऑन रखना पड़ेगा?
हाँ देखना पड़ेगा उसी
नहीं,
कंपनी।
क्या ये क्वेश्चंस मेरे सब्जेक्ट के आधारित होगा या कुछ और भी होगा, जनरल नॉलेज पे भी आधारित होगा?
ये तो एचआर पर डिपेंड करेगा, ये तो हम लोग डिसाइड नहीं कर सकते हैं।
तो ये चीज हम पूछेंगे ना कि मेरे सब्जेक्ट पे आधारित क्वेश्चन पूछेगा कि जनरल नॉलेज पे भी पूछेगा? Sometimes means the interviewer used to ask the question from the general knowledge also ना?
यस, ये तो डिपेंड करेगा एचआर पर मैम, इंटरव्यू पर डिपेंड करेगा, ये तो हम लोग डिसाइड कैसे कर पाएंगे?
आप पूछ सकते हैं कि नहीं पूछ सकते हैं? जब अगला आपको फोन करेगा तो पूछ सकते हैं कि नहीं पूछ सकते हैं?
हाँ यस पूछ सकते हैं।
तो you will definitely ask ना, what your queries you will ask ना, you will try to clear. Is it? समझ में आया बात?
यस यस
Yes, ma'am.
आप तो अपना क्वेरीज पूछने में के लिए फ्री हो ना, देयर इज नो बाउंडेशन इन आस्किंग द क्वेरीज।
यस पूछ सकता हूँ मैम।
अब the second part comes, the interview day, the video interview technique. What is this video interview technique? Because nowadays with the increased efficiency of video software, what people are saying that more and more employers turning to video employees, means interviews. They are recruiting more and more employers by turning video interviews as a very quick way, and this consists of many kind of video applications like video calling, like Zoom, Skype, Google Meet, all those things. So what is the positive effect of a video interview? How? A video interview can also help an employer to know the candidate's manners, how he has prepared, his preparedness, and how his appearance more comprehensively than during a phone interview. पहले क्या होता था, फोन में इंटरव्यू होता था. Previously what was happening? Phone interview. But nowadays what things are happening? Video interview. अभी क्या हो रहा है, पहले क्या होता था, फोन में बहुत टाइम होता था देखने, इंटरव्यू होता था. अभी क्या होता है, वीडियो ऑन करके उसका इंटरव्यू लिया जाता है। तो वीडियो इंटरव्यूज में क्या हमारा इफेक्टिव होता है कि किसी के लिए ट्रैवल नहीं करना पड़ता। कोई कोई बोलता है ट्रैवल करके मेरा तबीयत खराब हो गया, सो आई एम नॉट वेल एनफ टू गिव माई इंटरव्यू, आई एम वेरी मच हरास्ड इन द जर्नी। और वो क्या एम्प्लॉय बोल नहीं सकते बिकॉज ऑल दोज थिंग्स आर बीइंग रिकॉर्डेड। All things are being recorded in the video interviews, where a candidate can also record, where the interview has also already the recording, so there no one is having any kind of partiality, that no one can say why I am not selected. So this is a very good merit point of video interview. Is it? It also saves our time, it also saves our money, it also makes no difference. Everything is clear as a crystal. No partiality is being done in a video interview. Can it possible to make any kind of partiality during a video interview?
No, ma'am.
तो partiality हो सकता है वीडियो इंटरव्यू में?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
नहीं हो सकता। तो वेरी इफेक्टिव भी है ना, हमारा पैसा भी बचता है, टाइम भी बचता है, हमारा हेरासमेंट भी बचता है। और पहले क्या होता था, आफ्टर सिलेक्टिंग, अभी भी होता है, but after being selecting आप क्या होता है, in person technique, I mean sorry, in person interview technique। अब in person interview technique क्या है? Can anyone? What is this in person technique, means interview technique? What do you mean by in person interview technique? Sometimes when an interview consists, they used to call a candidate or the employer in the office में उसको बुलाया जाता है। In a room, they are being offered to sit. The interview will then interview the candidate. After being selected, अब क्या होता है, हमारा in person interview होता है। In person interview, we used to have to face the interviewer directly in his or her office, where the interviewer used to take directly the interview. They used to see whether you are good enough to fit for this position. And in-person interviews allows a better employment opportunity to the candidate. They used to ask certain questions. From them, they used to judge you that whether you are fit in this climate to work, or this kind of culture of office you can work. Do you really want to work for that company? Do you really want a job? Or you are just having a time pass? Will you give your service over here for years, or will you change? Will you move for better job opportunities if you will get? So that time, mainly the final decisions are being taken. They used to make an agreement type. You have to sign those things. If finally they find you all these qualities in you, अगर उसको लगता है कि नहीं आप उसकी कंपनी के लिए, इस कंपनी के एटमोसफियर में आप ढल सकते हो, वहाँ काम कर सकते हो, आप एक लंबे समय तक इस कंपनी में अपना समय दे सकते हो, नहीं, यू आर सिंसियर इन योर वर्क, वो क्या करता है, देयर आर सर्टेन काइंड ऑफ एग्रीमेंट्स, उसमें आपको साइन करना पड़ता है, और वहीं से आपका जॉब लाइफ स्टार्टअप होता है। Because without an agreement, today's world means in today's time, nowhere you will get job. You have to always sign an agreement. Okay, so now I will come to you people. You people have to give me two questions. You are my masters and I am your employee. I have applied for your company jobs. What question you will ask me? Each one of you please ask me two questions. That now you will take my interview. What questions you will ask me? Okay, write in your mind what things are coming. Just ask me the questions. I have applied for the jobs. I have posted all my CV, resumes, and all those informations in your mail, and I am being selected in your company. Now, I want those interview questions from your side. Please, one by one, ask me.
Okay, ma'am, I am asking.
Okay.
So, tell me about yourself.
Sir, it is already given in my resume. This is in your hand.
Okay. Okay, then what is your greatest strength?
My greatest strength is that I have a hard grip in my own field of study. With that, I have great work experience, which is required in your company. And I wish to learn much more to
Okay.
for the betterment or for the development and for myself.
Question is describe your most challenging project.
My most challenging thing is that when company, you say me your company. Viva, say your company.
Yes,
Say
my
me your
company.
company.
I'm not understanding, ma'am. What are you saying? My company.
या योर कंपनी जो कंपनी के में हम अप्लाई करेंगे उस कंपनी की जो पॉजिटिव होगा वो चीज हम बोलेंगे ना.
Yes.
इफ यू आर अ फूड प्रोसेसर तो हम बोलेंगे ना आई हैव अ गुड नॉलेज ऑफ फूड.
And it
If you are preparing
a
some
construction
hardware
company.
items, then I will say na I
Okay.
have a good technical training.
Okay, then it is a construction.
It's a construction. Okay, sir, I have worked 2 years in L&T company as a junior engineer in the field.
Then what difficulties in your project you faced?
Since this is my first job, I don't have any practical job experience. First six months was quite challenging for me. But anyhow, I managed, and later that I was being promoted from the site area to the office area.
Okay. Did you do any job, any project in your college?
No, I haven't done. I was an average student. I haven't done any of the projects, which was just in our syllabus, which is in been mandatory. I have done that one. That's truth. I have not done such any kinds of projects.
Okay.
Main important question: why you are leaving your current job? This is a very important question. Do you know it is a very important question that why you are leaving your previous or earlier job? Why you have left? It's a very important question. Okay, now Santosh Kumar Shah, please ask me.
Ma'am, there are so many candidates, so please tell why should I select you?
Which company you are, what you are looking. First describe your company. After that ask me.
I am an HR of L&T company.
Okay.
So now tell me,
What the eligibility you are looking for? Mechanical, civil, EC, CSE.
civil engineering.
Okay, civil engineering. Okay. Now sit. Now ask your question.
There are so many candidates applying for junior engineer,
Yeah.
civil engineering in my company.
Yeah.
So please tell why should I select you? Give 3 reasons.
Okay, sir. Since I have great work experience in the same field of L&T, now which you are the HR, and I too have a site area practical knowledge. I have worked with Tisco. I have worked with SAIL. I have done some internship also. I think more and more having a book knowledge, having a great percentage, the most important thing for a civil engineer is the site area experience, which I am. So I think that I can fulfill your requirements.
As you say, you have work experience in Tisco, SAIL. So why should you leave from there?
No, I am working with them. I was not a permanent employee. I have done my internship over there.
Oh. So there are so many candidates who have work experience. As I interact with them, so this is, I think this is not this is not the that answer which I want. So please give another reason, because every candidate have some work experience from different companies.
One answer I will just give. That is the most thing that makes me unique. That is the same from which you are the HR of L&T. I have work experience in that company only. You can check my previous report, and that makes my experience most unique.
Okay, I will check, and I provided the result soon.
Next question, Santosh. Another question. Ask me.
No more question.
No more questions. Okay. Okay, Pintu Kumar. Now ask me questions.
जी मैम।
फर्स्ट अपना कंपनी बताओ, क्या रिक्वायरमेंट है तेरे कंपनी का, जिसके लिए हम रिज्यूम दिए थे और सिलेक्ट हुआ, अभी मेरे को इंटरव्यू ले रहे हो तुम।
यस मैम। तो
हाँ।
क्या ऐसे बताना है, क्या बताना है मैम? वहाँ कंपनी बताना है कुछ है?
हाँ, तुम कौन कंपनी के मैनेजर हो, HR हो, DM हो, CM हो?
यस।
ओके।
यस।
और क्या खोज रहे हो, तुमने किसके लिए पब्लिश किया था, जॉब रिक्वायरमेंट के लिए, वो बताना है। ओके, आफ्टर दैट यू आस्क क्वेश्चंस।
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल उसके पूरा चेक करेंगे, बायोडाटा जो दिया वो सही है गलत है।
First of all, sir, please don't say this biodata. This is not a biodata.
नहीं, इतनी सीवी मैम।
Yeah, CV and resume. Resumes नहीं होता, ठीक है, resume होता है।
हाँ, रिज्यूमे चेक करेंगे तो वो मतलब जो लिखा वो सही है कि नहीं, उसे पूछताछ करेंगे।
हाँ,
तो
उसके बाद पूछताछ करो। Is this information fielded by you? in your resume, is it correct? Should I believe it?
Okay.
Can
Yes,
you
ma'am.
show me the original certificates?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes.
this type of question.
उसके बाद उसका माइंड इंटेलिजेंट पावर चेक करेंगे मैम.
तो माइंड इंटेलिजेंट पावर कैसे चेक करना है?
उससे मतलब क्वेश्चन पूछ करके जो दिया है
अरे बाबा, you
resume
ask me questions. You question me. What questions you have? You ask me.
इस कंपनी से मैं हूँ एचआर, उस कंपनी के बारे में पूछूंगा, उसके बारे में क्या करना चाहते हैं कंपनी, कैसे डेवलप, हाउ
Wait,
टू
wait, wait. You are
डेवलप.
not getting. Pintu, you are not getting. Okay, not getting. I will just explain. Okay.
मैम
Yeah, Santosh.
मैम आप अपना रिज्यूमे अगर शो कराएंगे तो पूछने में ज्यादा अच्छा होगा, ऐसे नहीं मथिल अच्छा से नहीं. जैसे कि कोई कंपनी में हम ही अगर रिज्यूमे सबमिट करेंगे तो वो तो हाथ में लेके बैठा होगा, और यहाँ हम बिना आपका रिज्यूमे बिना देखे हम कैसे पूछ सकते हैं उतना अच्छा से
देखो,
नहीं ना.
I am saying na, what are the most general types of questions? There are very common, matlab, there are 15 questions that are very common interview questions. You can note it down.
As I see it in two companies, they tell about resume.
That's why nowadays
10
what they are saying, you
to
have to first
15
submit your
questions.
resume.
Yes, ma'am.
Why they are saying that first you have to submit your resume? That is the reason, na? Because when they will take your interview, they will have a copy of your resume. So according to that, they will ask you questions. But in my today's class, basically what thing is there, na? Interview skills, techniques. What are questions? The most common questions. What you people will face. The most common question. क्या होता है? जो ज्यादातर इंटरव्यू में कॉमन क्वेश्चंस पूछा ही जाता है. You can just note it down, the questions, or either if you can remember, please remember it. First thing is that, tell me about yourself. Pintu Kumar, any questions?
मैम हमको तो कुछ समझ ना आता है, कैसे का मतलब इंटरव्यू में बोलने के लिए.
नहीं समझ में आता है.
हिंदी में बोल लेते, लेकिन आप इंग्लिश में बोलते तो मतलब पार्शियली समझ में आता है क्या बोल रहे, क्या अब क्वेश्चन पूछे,
कैसे
क्या
इंग्लिश
मेंशन
को
है.
अपना सुधारोगे? बोलो, हाउ कैन आई हेल्प यू इन डेवलपिंग योर इंग्लिश?
तो आप ही ने बताइएगा मैम.
फर्स्ट ईयर क्लास ज्वाइन करो, उन लोगों को सिखा रहे कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स.
नहीं मैम.
ज्वाइन करो फर्स्ट ईयर के साथ.
तो
Because
बताइए
first-
ना, अभी तक कुछ अभी तक इम्प्रूवमेंट हो सकता है तो.
एक चीज बोले पिंटू,
यस
if
मैम.
you can do, then please do it. Please go through your grammar book once. Basic grammar.
ग्रामर बुक फ्लो करते हैं मैम, लेकिन उतना ज्यादा नहीं हो पाता
ग्रामर में
है.
देखो, फर्स्ट थिंग इज दैट ना, सेंटेंस
okay.
टेंसेस, वॉइसेस,
यस.
ये तीन चीज एकदम अच्छे से समझ जाओ, देन यू विल फील नो डिफिकल्टी. टेंसेस, सेंटेंस एंड वॉइसेस, दिस आर द मोस्ट पिलर्स ऑफ द ग्रामर.
पिलर्स ऑफ द ग्रामर.
हाँ, ये एकदम ग्रामर का पिलर है, बोलता है ना, मैंने वो अगर तुम्हारा मजबूत है ना, then no one. And please learn some new English word every day. दो ही learn करो English word. The synonyms and antonyms part.
यस मैम.
ठीक है, बस ये चीज तुम करो, तुम अपना इम्प्रूवमेंट होगा. और इंग्लिश न्यूज़पेपर है तो पढ़ो, टेलीग्राफ पढ़ो, पुराना पेपर जो भी है. Please read the old English newspaper or newspaper you purchase. Or you can read it from the mobile also.
हाँ ओके मैम, फोन से भी कर लेंगे. फिलहाल अभी गांव में न्यूज़पेपर नहीं पहुंच पाता है.
Okay, from mobile you just read the word which you find difficult. Just go to the Google and search the meaning of those words.
यस मैम.
है ना? That will
Yes.
definitely help you. 100% I will say that if you regularly read a paragraph, the words you find difficult, तुमको जो word difficult रहता है गूगल में सर्च करके उसका मीनिंग देखो, definitely you will improve. कोई
Follow me,
प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा.
ठीक है मैम, वही फॉलो करते हैं मैम, आप बोले सो.
वो करो, बहुत अच्छा चीज है. One
Yes,
paragraph
ma'am.
पढ़ो ना. Write 5 sentences, read 1 paragraph. 1 hour you give. I will say you will shine. हम बोल सकते तुम जरूर shine करोगे. That time you will say I was there like that. But see, now I have developed by myself. You will
Okay,
get
ma'am.
your own, what I should say, confidence. Why you can't do? You can do. Nothing is impossible. You can do it. होगा तो
Yes, ma'am,
क्यों
okay.
नहीं होगा? If you will try,
होगा, ma'am.
definitely you will.
Yes, ma'am.
After 1 month, you will say, Madam, I have improved. Open, I am saying in this class that you will say me that, Madam, I have improved my English conversation.
Yes, ma'am.
I will wait for your answer, Pintu. Just do it.
स्टार्ट मैं करने जा रहा हूँ, मैं ग्रामर को और थी बोलता है, सो अभी तुरंत फ्लो करने जा रहा हूँ
Paragraph.
क्लास के एंड.
Yeah. एकदम होगा. No one can. तुम अपने करोगे, अपने तुम डेवलप करोगे, तुम खुद देखना फर्क. Okay?
ठीक. हाँ, ओके मैम.
Okay. And if you find any difficulty, call me.
नंबर मैम.
Number is in the group only.
ओके मैम.
Okay?
ओके.
Okay. So now I'm coming to the 15 most common interview questions. First one is, tell me about yourself. How would you describe yourself? How would you describe yourself? What makes you unique? Why you want to work in our company? Or why you want to work here? What motivates you to work in our company? What are you passionate about? Why are you leaving your current job? What are your greatest strengths? And what are your greatest weakness? What are your goals for the future? What do you expect from our company? Where you want to see yourself in 5 years, 2 years, or after a year? Can you have faced any kind of difficult situation? If yes, then how you overcame it? And why should we hire you? And what are your salary expectations? Got it? These are the important questions. Which one you will prefer, your job or salary? Which one you will prefer, job or salary?
Job.
Huh?
Job.
One by one, I am coming to you people. Pintu Kumar, which one you will prefer, job or salary?
Job.
Job.
Both ma'am.
Both, no, any one of you have to choose.
Yes,
Which
ma'am.
one?
Job.
Job. Vibhas,
Job.
job.
Salary.
Santosh?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am, job.
Job. Pintu?
सैलरी मैम.
सैलरी. गलत. यही तुम छाट जाओगे. Definitely.
तो आप अपना फैमिली को चलाने के लिए सैलरी की जरूरत है मैम.
अरे, if you will say job, can any job is there that will not provide you salary? If you will do work, they definitely provide you salary, na? अगर आप काम करोगे तो आपको पैसा तो मिलेगा ना. They will
Yes.
not hire you free of cost. Do they will hire you free of cost?